I know I said I probably wouldn't do one of these again, but some jerkwad bought me 2 more of them. Alright, here we go. We'll find out what the dragon is first, because it's always on top. It's always the big model. Oh, it's not a dragon. It is some manner of giant. It is a frost giant. He is frosty and fearsome. With axe and shield, he'll stomp you. But that's not all. For inside the box there are 3 more normal sized miniatures. What do we have? We have... looks like Dino's cousin. A guard drake. Doesn't have any wings, but pretty funky still. Is that even in focus? I think it's in focus. A guard drake. Ooh, this one looks like it's very small. A quickling. Doing a Michael Jackson pose. There we are. And finally, looks like some sort of human, perhaps a high elf. It is a sun elf guard with a bent spear, because they're always a bit bent. Shiny. No elf druid there. It's not good enough. Alright, that was box 1, or is it 2? And this is box 2, or is it 3? Alright. Here we go. Green dragon. Green auto dragon. It's another giant. It is a stone giant elder with his big ass club. It's gonna rub-a-dub-dub you. Maybe fight that frost giant a bit later on. It's not a wood-elf druid, but it's humanoid. Good job, bro. Ooh, it's a dragonborn. I finally have a dragonborn. It's a half-red dragon fighter. Yeah. And the small creature in this one is a stout-heart halfling female bard. Oh, she looks sassy.
Hobbit. It's a hobbit.
Halfling, please. Hobbits have hairy feet. And finally, it's not a wood-elf druid. It's some sort of nasty creature. Not sure what. Oh, it might be it is a needle blight. Looks a bit like some sort of dryad anti-ent type thing. I'm guessing it's made out of like pine needles. But for now, I'm Raven, and that's all from Canada.
The lair.
That wasn't me.